what would make you happy. Because if it is you are experiencing something negative and you stay there, then how are you getting the opportunity to grow from that and be positive? You have to do things that you like.
Hey guys, it's Renelli. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be starting a new segment on my channel called Jar of Motivation. So this is my jar. So basically how the process works, I'll be filling this jar with some motivational topics, and then I will shake it up and then randomly select one and talk about it as a means of motivating. So I hope that you all enjoy this new segment, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, because the more people that get to see Jar of Motivation is the more people that I or we will be motivating. Jar, and I have my topics in it, and I'm just going to shake up my jar, and now I will just randomly choose a topic. Ooh, so today's topic is being positive despite negative circumstances. I'm actually surprised that this is the first topic that I got, because it's something that I have been struggling with for a while, and there are days when I still struggle with it, but I'm trying to get out of that situation. I'm trying different things, so it's really good that I could share some of these things. So basically, let me tell you, sometimes in life you will be in circumstances or situations, or like an entire phase of your life, you may just feel like if nothing good is happening, and it's like when one thing bad happens, another happens, and there's this saying, when it rains it pours. Well guys, this is exactly what is be happening. I would be like, I always feel like if there's something wrong, like anytime I get into this zone where okay good, I'm all happy and saying, then something does come up and just like throw off the entire thing. The worst thing to do in a situation like that is to stay in the negativity. So if something is happening, you're always feeling like this happening, that happening. When you get over one hurdle, another hurdle appears. Let me first tell you guys that in order to grow in life, you have to go through negative circumstances. It is what builds you. It is what makes you grow as an individual. If everything was just comfortable every day, we would never learn, because there would be nothing to learn. Everything is good, everything is happy, always merry, always optimistic, positive. There's nothing coming your way, then you don't have that opportunity to grow. It is within negative circumstances where we can build ourselves, and we can build ourselves by overcoming. In a negative situation, the first thing that you should avoid is staying in it. And this is something that I am very guilty. When I'm feeling like not any mood, or like I just not feeling to do anything, and I'm feeling upset because it just seems like if everything wrong is going on, I used to just stay in that, and sometimes I still do it. And this is the worst thing to do, because when you're in a negative situation and you stay in there, how do you expect to come out? And then there's another saying which I personally live by, and it is doing the same thing and expecting a different result. You can't do the same thing and expect a different result. If it is you fail, let's just say you fail a subject or you fail a course in school, and you go back to that course, you have to do it over to move on, and you do the exact same thing, chances are you're not going to do any better. You have to create a different approach. You have to find a way that you could get out of it. So what do you like to do? There are so many things, and I'll give you examples. There's music, there's dance, there's theater, there's making videos, there's playing games, there's watching TV, there's watching YouTube videos, and I guess that's why you're here today, because you like to watch YouTube videos. There are stuff to do. Some people like to go outside and walk around, some people like nature, but the thing about it is, when we are in negative situations, we forget everything that we like. Turn on my laptop and just go on a karaoke channel and listen to karaoke videos and try to uplift myself, because at that point in time I forgot what I like to do, because the negativity was overpowering my mind. Forget who we are, we forget what we love to do. So if it is you going through negativity, try to find that thing. Sit down, just sit down right now. If you're going through that negative space, forget about it. Forget about it right now. Forget about it. Sit back and think about what you like to do. And after watching this video, proceed to doing that. Or pause this video right now as a matter of fact. Because right now you're in your misery. Come out of it. Snap out. We have no time for negativity. Let's go for real back. I don't have to give it an opportunity because you know it's doing its own thing. Yeah. Back. Next thing, you have to use your negativity to grow. You can't just use it to bring you back down. You have to use it as motivation to get up. So when you are negative, don't think about it as though life is after you. It's actually you getting an opportunity to grow, and you need to take it. So guys, thanks for watching Jar of Motivation. I hope that I motivated someone out there, and I also want to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. The last video that I did, I remember saying I had 30 something subscribers, and now I have 40 something subscribers, and my views are also increasing. So I just want to say thank you. I hope that you return, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share, because the more people that we reach with Jar of Motivation is the more people that will be motivated. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.